Hey Tiger Teachers! Today I have a little digital learning tip for you. When you are teaching your students and you are showing them something in the camera, sometimes it's not turned the right way. Sometimes the image and the text is flipped. So when you are trying to read the story or talk about directions, the students are seeing it in the mirror image and it can be really confusing for our kids. So let me show you how to use Loom and make sure that your video settings are turned the right way so we can make sure that we're doing everything the right way. Let me show you. It's kind of ironic that I'm using a screencasting tool to show a screencasting tool, but you know, I digress. You're going to start a new video. And when you do this, if you're just teaching to the students, you're going to choose camera only. Now I'm going to move my little bubble here and I'm going to make it larger so you can see me. But when I show my book, if it's not the correct way, you'll want to go over here and flip the camera. And there your text is showing the correct way for the students and not in the mirror image. So when you're teaching though, it might feel a little bit backwards to you. So it'll take some time and some practice for you as the teacher to get used to it, but it's going to be much better for our kids and it won't be as confusing. So I hope this tip helped you.